May 5th, 2024. That's the day I decided to upload YouTube Shorts consistently for 30 days straight. So the very next day, I started doing it. The results are so much better than I ever expected, and guess what? I'm also earning a little bit of money from this challenge. In the past 30 days alone, I have uploaded 137 shorts and got almost 500,000 views, which is decent, but as a beginner, I'm really proud of it. But before anything, I think you should know why I started this challenge again. So some of you guys might know about my previously failed shorts challenge where I tried uploading shorts every single day along with documenting what all I did. Well, it failed because I was trying to keep my feet in both boats, which ended up in a lot of stress and neck pain. I quitted that challenge on day 9 and tried doing some other videos just to cheer me up. But still, the shorts challenge, the failed shorts challenge was haunting me at night. Like literally, this challenge got into my head and I really want to try it again so badly. During these days, I would go back to my old channel to see if any of the videos has got any new views, and the results were always a big zero. But I really want to see some kind of hope to boost my motivation and succeed in building a good shorts channel. I am really a numbers guy. So seeing so many viewers come in along with graphs and other juicy data really motivates me. It really helps me think that I have not wasted the day completely and did something productive for myself. And I also wanted to come back to this channel and tell you everything about it, because I love talking about these results through these videos. So I decided to create a brand new channel, but then I had a breakthrough idea. So some of you guys might not know about this, but before starting Zyckwealth, I had 3 other channels, out of which 2 are monetized. But I stopped uploading for a while and really didn't care about the videos I was making in those channels. And all of my videos were kept on private. Now coming back to the breakthrough idea. Have you ever had this 3 AM idea in which you want to do something that would turn your life around and make you so proud? Yeah. I had that stupid idea to restart one of my channels and start uploading YouTube shorts so that I would have an unfair advantage and rack up so many views with minimal effort. My eyes were sparkling, and without wasting any single second, I quickly went to YouTube Studio and logged into that account. I planned that I will start uploading from the very next day and get thousands of views and will earn money for every single person who watched my work. Well, there was one single problem that awaited me while I logged into my old channel, and it was this cute little mail from YouTube itself.